Dear students, I hope you are safe in your homes. Today we will discuss about a grammar topic in English, that is articles. First of all, I would like to tell you the definition of articles, or what are articles. Articles are usually considered as demonstrative adjectives. They are placed before the nouns to fix or define the course of their action. The word article is derived from the Latin word articulus, which means a joint. Now, I would like to tell you the types of or categories of articles. First is definite article and second is indefinite article. In definite article, only one article, that is the, which is shortened version of this, that, or these. Second is indefinite article. A and N, these are called indefinite articles, and these are shortened version of one. Now we will discuss about indefinite article. After that we will discuss definite article. Indefinite articles A and N are used before countable nouns whenever we speak of a simple object without defining them. What are the uses where indefinite articles are used? First of all, A, it is used before a consonant sound that is of Hindi consonant sound. For example, a chair, a pen. I would like to tell this in Hindi. आप लोगों को हिंदी की वर्णमाला के व्यंजन देखना है। यदि हिंदी वर्णमाला के अक्षर की व्यंजन ध्वनि आती है तो उससे पहले आपको ए यूज करना है। सेकंड इज एन, इट इज यूज्ड बिफोर द नाउन्स बिगिनिंग विद ए वोवल साउंड ऑफ हिंदी। आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू इन हिंदी, एन का प्रयोग हिंदी भाषा के स्वर की ध्वनि जिस शब्द से आती है उससे पहले किया जाता। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एन इंकपॉट, एन ऑरेंज, एक्सेट्रा। Indefinite articles are also used before a singular countable noun which represents a whole class except man or woman. For example, a cow eats grass. An elephant is a big animal. Indefinite articles are also used before the names of professions. For example, a clerk, a doctor, etc. It is also used before any singular countable noun which is described first time and does not show any definite person, animal, or thing. For example, a dog is an animal, that is a book. In the expression of price, speed, etc., we can use indefinite article. Milk sells 8 rupees a kilo. He drives at 40 miles an hour. Ab next will be the definite article. We will discuss this in our next video. Thank you all.